YouTube was good, man. It's your boy Kyrie Trades back at y'all. Today I wanna come explain this trade that I took today that made me 20K across my 5 express funded accounts. Well 20K like overall, not 20K each, but yeah, man. Let's get into it, man. So I came to the markets this morning and you know I seen overnight we had a little leg down right here. So while I'm on a 15 minute, I seen price respected this fair value gap right here. So that kind of was telling me that we was gonna be buying today. So I dropped down to this 5 minute, and as we're coming up on New York session, I drew my field from here to here. And in my golden pocket right here, I seen we have another fair value gap that's lining up with my golden pocket. So boom, me seeing that, price ended up at 6:30. Price ended up coming back and tapping into that fair value gap. So I dropped down to the 1 minute to see what kind of reaction price was gonna give us from this fair value gap and my golden pocket. So me seeing this good reaction right here, see, me seeing this nice reaction from price, that caused me to enter buys about right here. Now, once price started to move a little bit from my entry, my stop loss was right below this wick, only risking about 34, 35 ticks, give or take, aiming to take 192 ticks. So you see the RR is there. RR is there. So as I'm in this trade though, I start to see we have we have liquidity up here that needs to be taken. We have liquidity up here, right here, that needs to be taken. So basically, I'm just drawing on my liquidity, potential targets that for my take profits. So this right here is yesterday's high, previous day high. So as I'm in this trade, I see we have a fair value gap resting right here. So I marked it out, and while I was in this trade, I was watching it on the 1 minute. So I'm seeing how price is reacting to this fair value gap. So I'm kind of like, man, I don't like this reaction. But I did not put my stop loss at break even. I kept everything. I'm like, either it's gonna hit my stop loss or hit my take profit. So boom. Once price broke past this fair value gap, I'm like, okay, now we good to push off. So I'm holding. Mind you, we got news at 7:30. I got in this trade at got in this trade at got in this trade at 6:37. So in the next hour we had news 7:30. So I'm expecting the news to be good just off seeing how price is lining up with my bias. I'm expecting the news to push me up to my take profit, right? So as we after we broke past that fair value gap, I'm like, okay, this might be a buying day, a heavy buying day. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna target some more. So initially I was gonna target a TP3 at my third liquidity that I had drawn. So I'm like, okay, boom. Then news comes, and we get this huge bullish candle right here. So I'm like, hold up. I'm like, okay. So that's telling me price can price can reach all the way to the previous day highs. So me seeing that, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna move my take profit up one more level. So move my take profit up. You know, price keeps printing bullish candles, printing bullish candles. So I'm still in the trade. Once price broke this area of liquidity right here, broke this high, I'm still in the trade. Once it gets between the previous high we just broke and the previous day high, I end up putting my stop loss right here. End up putting my stop right under this bearish candle. So I'm like, okay, either now, I secure me some profits for the day. Like, if it come back to my stop loss, I'm stopped out in profit. I think it was like $1,000 profit. I would have been. Wait, no, I think that's way more than. No, I think this was like $1,800 profit or something. I can see. I got my paper trading connected to TradingView, so I can see. No, it was $2,000 profit actually. So I moved my stop in profit, and I'm like, okay, like 2,000 for the day, I'll take that. Like, like who wouldn't? So I'm like, yeah, either it's gonna hit my stop profit or go to my TP. And at this point, I was pretty confident it was going to my TP. Like, it's way up here, you know. It wasn't gonna give a reaction until it hit this level, till it hit this high. It was nothing else for price to react off of. Maybe it reacted as an order block or something, but yeah, and then me being confident in my setup, price hit my TP, call it a day. Now of course I left money on the table. You always gonna leave money on the table trading. Like, look at this. I caught approximately 866 ticks, and price is still going up. Currently at 1,300 ticks. Like this 4K day, 4K day across 5 express funded accounts could have been like a, let's see, could have been like a what, 9K day? Shit, no, 7K day, give or take. But I'm content. I'm content with that. I'm content with making that. I'm not making that at my job. Like, you gotta look at it. You gotta look at trading like that. Like, you're not making that at your job. You're not making 2,000 a day. You're not making $1,000 a day. You're not making $4,000 a day. So yeah, me seeing that, me catching this banger trade on a Friday. I'm content. I'm content with my profits. So come over the top step. You can see my balance, my express funded balances. They all sitting at 3,800 right now. The trade that I took today netted me 4,300 across 5 accounts. So that's about 21,000, something like that, 22,000. But like, come on now, 20K a day, I'm more than content with that. So yeah, I caught that trade. I locked out my accounts. I'm like, man, I'm locking out. I'm not risking giving my profits back to the markets. You know, that's why I like these prop firms that have the lockout features and the daily profit target features and daily loss limits. Stuff like that. You gotta take advantage of stuff like that. You know, if you want to be in this game for the long run. And me, I plan on being in for the long run. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today, man. Just a little thought process behind this crazy trade I caught today, man. 866 ticks. Just thankful to be able to see this and act up on it. Like, just thankful, bro. Like, thankful from all the studying I do and all that to be actually able to take action in the markets. you know. But that's all I got for y'all today, man. Peace out, man.